Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Basity reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Apart from that guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular website. It is an online shopping store that deals with women fashion clothing options including tops, casual dresses, sweaters and cardigans, two-pieces sets and dresses including midi, mini and maxi dresses as well. So guys, the country United States, or you can say the citizens of United States, are looking forward to know more about the legitimacy of this website, and the process of these offerings are too good to be true. Now talking about the payment information, let's check out the website's info. So they have not provided the payment info in the particular section. So let's take a look at the shipping policy of this particular website. Coming to the shipping policy guys, they have provided that they've mentioned that the free shipping for order over $79 and the postal or express shipping will take around 35 business days. And guys, let's talk about the domain information or the legitimacy of this particular website. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a legit or scam website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But talking about the domain information of this particular site, it was created on 15th of January 2021. So guys, this site is 2 months old website, so we can't claim this site legit on the basis of this factor. Apart from that, this domain is registered for 1 year only. So let's discuss the company's detail, or you can say company info, before making any decision. And here they have mentioned the about us information. They have provided improper about us information guys, which is a negative sign. No information is available regarding business establishment here, business owner name, brand connection info, which is a negative sign. Now talking about the company's contact details, you need to visit the contact us page. So they have provided a query form guys. They have not provided the email address, contact number and official address in the contact us page, which is a red high alert, and this makes the site quite suspicious. And guys, the site has social media presence on Facebook and Instagram. It comes with 568 followers on Facebook and 1388 followers on Instagram as well. So let's check out the number of followers on the social media platform like Instagram. So you can see they have huge followers as well. Now talking about the return policy of this website, let us check the return policy, and they have mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers as well. And in the context of Basity reviews, so yes, we have found some positive comments or positive reviews about products on the official website. And we have also found positive comments on other platform as well, but guys, we can't trust on these customer reviews because we are not able to find the verified IDs of these customers. You can see these are the positive comments. One of the customers said thin material but with weight, if that makes sense. Love this top, feminine and makes you feel them thin, IMO, get it. So these are the positive reviews, but guys, the site can't be trusted on the basis of these customer reviews only. Talking about the trust index score, so yes, we have found that the trust index score of the site is 1%. And guys, there are so many loopholes as well. As I've already discussed about the short life expectancy domain, the domain is very recent guys, which is less than 6 months though, so we can't claim this site legit on the basis of domain age as well. Apart from that, the owner information is hidden, which is a negative point according to privacy policies. And this domain name is linked to other countries known for being used by fraudulent websites as well. So there are so many loopholes. And apart from that, the site is not professionally managed, and some content is copied from other websites as well. So guys, they have copied the content, which is again a negative sign. So in the conclusion, we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, as it is a very new website and looks like suspicious website. So stay away from such type of websites, and for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.